My name's Doug. I'm Toledo, Ohio. Um, the sales rep for LeafGuard actually came to my door. So she was door knocking, came in, uh, completely sold me on the product itself. It was the quote was good. Like everything's fine with the system. The uh, I can't say enough that I'm happy with it. They had to do some gutter repairs when they were doing the installation, so that was good because they found damaged gutters that I hadn't even noticed because I only bought this house. I'd only been in the house about a month when they actually sold me the system. But I was, like I said, the sales gal that came in and showed me the product and completely sold me on it, and I was pretty impressed with it, with the way she demonstrated everything, and so my whole house got done, and at this point I am pretty happy. I knew I needed leaf guards or something like that because I'm 70 years old. There's no way I'm getting up on a ladder anymore. The and I knew I needed leaf guards because when we first moved into the house, we've got a fireplace and there was leaves inside the fireplace. So I knew there's enough trees around me to be blowing leaves into the fireplace. I knew the gutters would end up being clogged, so they installed it and I was quite happy with it.